Hello, my name is Asher Guidry, and my partner is Ross Menard. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a bibliography, an annotated bibliography. What is a bibliography? A bibliography is a way of citing sources in a way that makes it easy to keep track of the sites that you use. How do you make an annotated bibliography? For starters, you need your format. So a proper format would include your heading, double space, page numbering, proper indentions, and sources need to be in alphabetical order. So first I'm going to show you how to cite a book. When you're citing a book, you need to include the last name of the author, the first name of the author, title of the book, the publisher, and the year. And then after that, you'd want to include the database if the book is electronic. Starting at my example, I'm using Roller Z. You would have your last name of author, which is Brooks, and then your first name, which is Max. Then, as right here, you have your book title, and then you have your publisher, and then finally your published date. Next, I'm going to show you how to cite an entire website. So, when citing a website, first you want to include the title of the website, which would be Nat Geo Wild. Then you want to find the website publisher, which for most websites is found all the way at the bottom. And for this, it would be National Geographic Society. Then you would want to have the date the website was created, which would be 1996. And that's how you cite an entire website. Next, I'm going to show you how to cite an article from a database. So first, you want to put the author or authors. Sometimes it can be two or more. Then you want to put the last name, then the first name. Then you want to have the title of the article, which is right here. Then you want to have the name of database, which I use Custody Schools. And then you want to put the year the article was published, which is 2001. Now I'm going to show you how to cite an internet video/film. So, when citing a video, first you want to put the author, but for this, there's no author because it's from YouTube. So then you want to go to the title of the video, which is right here, and then you want to have the website publisher, which would be YouTube. Then you want to have who it was uploaded by, so you would put uploaded by, and then it was uploaded by Crash Course. And you're going to put the date it was uploaded, which would be June 8th, 2015. How to cite a website article. So, when citing a website article, you want to put the author or author's last name and then first name. In this article, there's two. So you would put Haberman Maggie, because you always put the last name first, and then Shear Michael, as shown right here. And then you would want to put your title of the article, which is at White House, Trump watches loss of House, but wins in Senate. So always when you're writing a title of an article, you want to put it in quotations. So you put this in quotations. Then you would want to put the name of the article, which is the New York Times. Then you would want to put when it was published, which is November 6, 2018. Now I'm going to show you how to cite an interview. So when citing an interview, you want to put the interviewee, which in this case would be Dana White. Then you want to put interview to show that it was an interview. And you want to put who the interviewer was, which in this case would be Laura Sanko. And then you'd want to put the date of the interview. So this took place on November 11, 2018. Finally, I'm going to show you how to cite a web image. So when citing a web image, you want to put first the author, but in this case there's no author. So you would just put the title of the image, which would be America We Want to Be Founding Aspirations. Then you would want to put the website publisher, which would be Living Room Conversations. Then you would want to put the date, but there is none. So you would just put the URL after the date. Now let's get down to the annotations. An annotation is a paragraph roughly around 150 words that gives a 1 to 2 sentence summary of the resource that you used, why you chose the resource, and why is it important towards your work. So I created a little outline, I guess you could say, and you would put your 2-sentence summary, why you chose the resource, and then you would put why it's important towards your work. And the main purpose of writing annotations are to avoid plagiarism and to show that you actually use the source in your work. My name is Asher Guidry, and this concludes our presentation.